Hello and welcome to OKM Detectors. My name is Stefan and I'm presenting to you the OKM Fusion Light. The OKM Fusion Light is the entry-level model for 3D treasure hunting. It is perfect for cavity detection as well as for treasure hunting. It consists of two search modes, magnetometer and 3D ground scan. Now let's have a look at the unit itself and do an unboxing. The OKM Fusion Light comes in a shock-resistant and waterproof case, including customized foam to make sure that the unit is in a good state when it comes to your home. We have the control unit. We have an Android phone, including the OKM Fusion Light app. We have a Windows notebook, including the Visualizer 3D standard software to analyze your scans. Obviously, we have the charger, travel adapter for your location, and last but not least, we have all the information you need. Quick start guide, brochures, and your device passport, which gives you all the information for your personalized OKM Fusion Light. We at OKM Detectors, we manufacture every single device of the Fusion series here in Germany. We are a team of roughly 30 employees working very hard every single day to provide you the best metal detector and 3D treasure hunting technology. We have engineers, production facilities, and marketing and sales teams to help you now for over 23 years here from Germany. Now let's have a look at the details of the OKM Fusion Light and especially the control unit. The control unit consists of the sensor technology. It has an integrated battery with an operating time of roughly 12 hours and it has only a weight of 700 grams. This is the orientation, a vertical orientation when you do your scans. This control unit gets steered by the OKM Fusion Light app. The OKM Fusion Light app is available for all Android phones. We have the two search modes, magnetometer and 3D ground scan, and you have 14 different languages to choose from. Additionally, you can browse through your old scans. Now let's go out and see how the OKM Fusion Light works in the field. Now we are outside and we will perform our first scan with the OKM Fusion Light. It's the magnetometer. The magnetometer we use to eliminate trash and find initial iron. To start the magnetometer, we press on magnetometer. We wait until the connection is there. And now we go. We have now performed our magnetometer scan and ensured that there's no trash in the scan area. Now we will perform our 3D ground scan to find long-term buried treasure. To start the 3D ground scan, we press on 3D ground scan. We use the default settings now. We wait for the connection and now we press the trigger to scan. We have now performed our 3D ground scan and found some treasure. Now let's go inside and analyze it. After having been outside to perform the ground scan with our OKM Fusion Light, we are now back inside to analyze our scan. You can have a look at the Fusion Light app, or you can transfer the data with a USB cable to the Windows notebook, which is already included in your Fusion Light package. We open the file and now we can analyze the structure of your scan with all the details in the Visualizer 3D Studio software. If you would like to have more information how to analyze exactly, please have a look at our documentation and the videos online.